Welcome to Seller University on the Amazon Global Selling Southeast Asia channel. Today we'll be going through the world of account registration for your Amazon professional selling plan, making it a breeze for you to get started. We'll go through some great insights and do a quick demo for you. So let's jump right in. So with the help of Ivan and Jun Liang from Amazon Global Selling, we created this, an online registration guide with tips and links to help you register your Amazon seller account step by step. So I'm actually going to sign up for an Amazon seller account with you guys using all the Seller University resources and live webinar trainings that are publicly available. Check out the Seller University registration guide and the registration guidance webinar. Links in the description below, and let's see if we can make this process a piece of cake. So the clock is running and let us get started with our registration. There are 4 steps, and essentially we have to register an account and provide verification either with documents and in person. And then finally we'll just wait for the one-time password to be sent to us over mail. So let's get started. First, I'll click on the sign up button. And while that's loading, I will show you I have the Seller University registration guide open in case I get lost, as well as the live webinars for registration guidance open. So first, let us create your Amazon account. Alright, next. Okay, I've put in my personal information, and this is where it gets tricky under identity proof. So with identity proof, you see 2 options only, driver's license or passport. If you want to put in your national ID, you can select driver's license. Select the country of issue for your national ID. And then under driving license number, I'll put in my national ID number. And for Singapore citizens, if you don't have a date of expiry on your national ID, which I don't, I will put in a placeholder date. Remember to choose a year in the future. I put 2066, and someone from Amazon site will take care of it. So under residential address, it's pretty straightforward. And this is the address that you have to get right because this is where Amazon will send your one-time password to. And then I want to receive a PIN really quickly from SMS. Send me the SMS. Alright, I have received the SMS PIN. And let's verify. Alright, seems that it's been accepted here. So I'll click next. Cool, so right now you can see under payment information on the monthly subscription fee. Usually you will pay the equivalent of $39.99 USD per month. It's split proportionately across each region or country where you have an active listing, and then charged separately in your local currency. And you can downgrade it anytime to an individual plan, but right now we're going ahead with our professional plan registration. So let me put in my credit card number. This has to be a valid credit card number. Alright, so let's answer a few questions about your business so that we can assist you during your onboarding. It does not impact your ability to register for a selling account. So for my store name, what should I call it? Let me go ahead and call it Daily News Stuff. Alright, and then do you have universal codes for all your products? Let me check with our webinar. You don't have to have a UPC code, and you can choose not to be a brand owner if you're not already. So I'm gonna click no for all of them. And we'll finally, really quickly, In step 3 of our store creation, I didn't use the driving license, I used my national ID. So I will just go ahead and upload copies of my national ID at the front and the back, and as well as uploading proof of address where I can put in a credit card or bank account statement. Make sure whatever you upload, it has your address on it. We click next. And now we're almost at the end. You take a photo of your face, and this is faster verification. I'm just gonna take a photo and it'll just use whatever camera is in front of me. This is my laptop camera, and it will go do just fine. Okay, let's consent and then we'll start. So let's go through the demo. First, we'll do the start identity check. Best way to, which country is your IC from or ID from? Because I picked driver's license earlier, I'm just going to use the same thing. Alright, the camera's on. Okay, just position the face. Right, okay, so it's been detected. Keep it steady, take a picture. And then now the back of the ID. Let's go. Make sure your fingers don't block anything. And then take a picture. Now make sure you're always in a well-lit area when you're doing this. They're processing the ID for now, so we'll just keep waiting. It worked! So let's do the photo of the face. You'll take your side, front, and the other side. Basically the 3D image of your face. Okay, I'll position myself in front of the camera. Okay, and then now on the right. So we have provided the face and ID document images. It's all done, and then Amazon will conduct other checks on my information and contact me within 72 hours if I have any other things that they require. So let's close this window now, and we're all done. Thank you for sharing your information. We've received it and we'll reach out for further clarification within 2 business days. If I want to see what I've submitted, just click the drop down button. Okay, and I guess 2 business days it is. Right now there's nothing much for me to do. Oh great! And we're done! Now all I have to do is to wait for Amazon to send me a one-time password via mail, and my account will be live to start creating my first listing. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next as I build my first e-commerce business. By the way, if you haven't checked this perfect jumpstart guide, it complements today's topic perfectly if you want more details on the preparation process. So make sure you give it a read. Now before we wrap up, where can you find Seller University? If you don't already have an account, you can actually head on over to this link here. It's amazon.to/learn-su. It's case sensitive, but when you click in, it's free resources for you to access at your fingertips. This treasure trove of tutorials, guides, infographics to not only deepen your understanding about account registration, but also to learn about setting up your e-commerce business to sell to the US and the EU. Alright, that's a wrap for today's video on Amazon registration. I hope you found something useful to help you simplify the registration process. If you have any comments, questions, or you have an idea of what you want us to cover in the next video, leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss our next upload. I'll see you next time. Happy selling on Amazon!